Hey everyone, TNT here. So I got something absolutely amazing to show you. If you're already a subscriber of my channel, I did send out a community message on what I picked up a couple of weeks ago. But if you're not a subscriber, then you're getting the first look at this, and any returning subscribers, you're going to get the walk around today. So here you go, the first look at an unbelievable barn find. All right everybody, there it is, a 1985 CR250. This bike is 100% all original except for the back tire. That is a new back tire on there that was put on it about 10 years ago, and then the bike was parked. There are no aftermarket parts on this bike whatsoever. Everything is the way it was in 1985. So down in the water pump area, this clutch cover is totally shot. But I managed to find one on eBay. The seller was very reasonable. He reduced his price for me, and it showed up today. There will be no restoration on this bike. I will be refurbishing some of the parts. I'm not going to take that original paint off the frame. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to try and leave everything as original as I can. The seat cover will definitely get replaced, but everything else is just going to get a thorough cleaning. I'm not even going to worry about the decals. They've got a few minor scratches on them. I may buy some new ones just so that whoever I wind up selling this bike to has some. But as far as replacing them, I'm not going to. I will get some number plate decals. I'm not even going to bother replacing this front number plate. It's even got all the metal bands still on the fork boots. You never find those metal bands still on the bikes. Every piece of plastic is in perfect condition, just needs to be buffed up. What an incredible find. Kill switch rubber is still in good shape. Now, I'm not going to be working on this bike right away. I really want to get working on the 2019 project, but this is just kind of like a side project. Look at that, it's even got all the original overflow lines on the carburetor. Original sprockets, front and rear. It's probably the original chain on this bike. Look at that all original silencer on there. I haven't even seen one of those for sale. Every bike that I've rebuilt, I've had to go with an aftermarket silencer, and that's the original Honda silencer on there. All right, everyone, so the rain's starting to come down. I got to get the bike put away, but I want to thank you all for coming out and watching my videos. Please share with your friends, leave some comments, subscribe, and I will catch you next video.